In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted transactions in QuickBooks Online using the audit log. We'll start by opening the audit log. In QuickBooks Online, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. That icon opens your company's settings and key tools. From there, under the Tools section, select Audit Log. This log is your system's history, showing who did what and when, which makes it the best place to research deleted or voided activity. Once the audit log loads, it can be a lot to look at, so let's narrow things down. Click the Filter button at the top of the page. In the Filter panel, find Event Type and choose Deleted/Voided Transactions. This tells QuickBooks to only show entries where something was removed or voided. If you know the approximate date, you can also set a date range to trim the list further. When you're ready, click Apply, and the log will refresh with just the entries you need. Now it's time to find the specific transaction. You can scroll through the results or use the search tools on the page to look for a customer, vendor, or amount that stands out. When you see an entry that looks right, click View to open its details. The Details panel will show the type of transaction, the original date, the customer or vendor, the amount, line items, memo, and other key fields. This is the information you'll use to bring the transaction back into your books accurately. Take a moment to note everything you'll need, including products or services, accounts, tax settings, and any class or location if you use those. Here's the important part. QuickBooks Online does not support one-click restoration for all transactions. To restore a deleted transaction, you'll recreate it manually. Open the plus New button and choose the correct form, such as invoice, expense, payment, or another type that matches what was deleted. Re-enter the details exactly as shown in the audit log, including the original date and amounts. If it's an invoice, watch the numbering. You may need to adjust it to match your sequence. If you're re-entering a customer payment, be sure to apply it to the related invoice. For expenses, select the correct payee, payment account, and category or item lines. When everything matches, save the transaction. Finally, review your reports or the customer or vendor activity to confirm the recreated transaction appears as expected. Add a memo like "Recreated from audit log" for clarity. That's it. Your deleted transaction is now restored in your records.